award our trophy, the cash prizes. I call on all of the judges against the stage to award the trophy, the Woodguard Trophy, to our overall champion at the Hiranging Kamasel Showdown Romero Classic 2025. Atras muna ng konti, athletes. At nandito na ang resulta. May sumisigaw. 78, Teo. 78, sino ba? The overall champion for the seat. Athlete number 75. Athlete number 75. Congrats. He will gonna receive 15,000 pesos in cash. Kinulang ng dalawa. Okay, panuliling naman tayo sa overall. On stage, the bantamweight light